So we're gonna start water holes by trespassing on the res.
I think we're just gonna walk around out here for as long as it takes someone to pull over and start giving us shit.
You think they enjoyed the ride down, bro?
I'm gonna go with no.
The bridge is up there, so yeah, probably not. All right, we're down here at water holes. We just started. It's 7:30. We'll see how long it takes us, but it's gonna be a long day. Here we go.
Beautiful.
It's called the Tura, and this is the blossom.
Interesting, dude. That's pretty cool.
The natives would smoke this stuff and trip out, and there's a lot of petroglyphs that show them like holding these little datura blossoms.
No way, dude. So are you gonna try smoking that later today? No? Why not?
Nope.
Is this the the waist deep mud hole?
Oh boy.
Looks like it.
Camera's gonna have to go.
Okay.
Bye for a minute. Come on, man. Don't
All right,
you
you
know
ready?
being near such a
1,
ball
2,
sports?
3. Look at that catch!
This is wrap 2.
Wrap 2.
I'll go last. Just don't leave me.
We won't leave you, bro.
Never.
Oh, nice, dude. Rope. You're very welcome.
You like my boots?
Whoever's been setting these wraps has been putting about 3 feet too much rope on the ground.
Eric.
Babe, you are covered. Literally cannot get my feet out.
It's like quicksand.
It is.
Oh. Get all this water out. Why is it so heavy?
Careful, Eric. Don't fall. I've had some. Oh my god.
Nice. Nice save. That one?
It's broken, dude.
Just shut that thing off.
Oh, it's this one. I got.
What the hell is going on?
Off we go.
Off you go, dude. All right,
My
man.
feathers. Hang on, I can look in the screen.
They look good, yeah.
Okay, good.
They look good, man.
My spirit feathers.
I love your spirit feathers. All right, so I'm the last man to go. I have to do this 130-foot rappel where Eric is right now, just past him. And from there, I'm gonna pull this rope, get it all cleaned up, transfer over to the 300-foot rope that's gonna be set up for me. I'm gonna have to change the rigging to a fiddle stick, and then I will be the last man down on the fiddle. Oh, that's awesome, bro.
Did it tie itself in that knot?
It did?
Shit, dude.
I fucking did. Because there was no knot in it, dude.
Yeah, I was like, wait a second.
Later, bro. See you when I get down. Have fun, man.
You too.
Will do. Rope. Holy crap. Dang! Rope! Yeah! Just got done with the 320-foot rappel. Check it out. Freaking amazing. It was awesome. Pretty freaking cool. Definitely technical. Had to transfer to different ropes, mess around with the rigging, but it was a blast. So happy to be down. On our way out, a couple more rappels to go, and then we got our boat ride. Oh, definitely making the video. Good job, man. What's up, man?
Drinks!
Yeah.
Drinks.
Drinks!
Open up that cooler.
What do we got?
Popping bottles, dating models. Popping bottles, dating
Oh,
models.
man.
Zello.
Your
Heck
favorite,
yeah.
Dr. E. Whack.
Yeah. Oh, I totally forgot to give you guys the script. I forgot to print it off. Since he couldn't be here, yeah, he sent me the script.
Jerry's
I
scripts.
totally forgot we invited Jerry.
Yeah, the script.
Right, there's a
There's a
script.
script. I forgot to print it off. I totally forgot, guys.
Oh,
Jerry, I'm sorry. This is not going to be as good as yours, but
we tried.
we'll make do.
We tried.
We'll make do.
Gave it our best.
Who's Jerry?